The case law and the administrative agencies in each state that handle sexual harassment claims have been clear that it can come in many forms. Of course, you've got your verbal, you've got the verbal solicitation of sexual advance, jokes, inappropriate comments, compliments that are over the line at work, visual, your pictures and your cartoons. The physical, of course, touching, massaging, encroaching on personal space, and written, your email communications. But I don't know which of these categories the following falls into, but I'd say the state of the art right now, the cutting edge, the common trend in my hostile work environment, sexual harassment claims, is text messages. Yeah. It is. And some graphic pictures, and some of it's solicitations, some of it's flirtation, and a lot of times it's emojis and selfies that are not appropriate. And in addition to that being so common now, particularly with the younger workforce, it's particularly troublesome is that because it's not at work, because it's not on a company provided system, email, a lot of times employers and HR are the last to know. It's very difficult to take the advice we give you today and make sure that people aren't texting each other after work. But that's where the frontier of these claims is right now. And it's difficult because I'm sure, the viewers today represent an incredible variety of workplaces. And, there aren't hard and fast rules. There's behavior in between waiters at a restaurant. Yeah. You'd be immediately fired for it between associates at a big law firm. And so, you can't come in and just be the police and say the following behavior is per se over the line and per se making people comfortable. Of course, some behavior falls into that category, but for the most part, it's, HR people have to manage the team they got, and they got to manage in the industry they're given. And this is a difficult task.